Hey, how's it going? John from Branson Cerakote and Laser here. Got quite a few requests to do another project in Elite, and honestly the only thing I have in the shop to do it on is just a Glock 19 barrel. So I'll go ahead and do that. And run through the steps. It's pretty basic, but there are a lot of differences between Elite and H series and Micro Slick and all the others. We're gonna do this barrel in the jungle color. It's kind of a foresty green. Your only mixing option is 18:1. You have to run it through a 325 filter. And keep in mind when you filter that there's going to be quite a bit left in the filter. It's a really thin coating, so there'll be quite a bit left in there. That's completely normal. You're going to spray it at 30 psi and you're going to bake it for 300 for 1 hour. So pretty straightforward. It's an easy coating to spray. It's very thin, so it almost sprays like water. It's similar to, I guess, H series and Micro Slick, kind of the best of both worlds. It's got better heat resistance. It's got better abrasive resistance. So it's a really good coating. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Check us out at BransonCerakote.com for all your laser, stencil, and Cerakote needs. Have a great day.